You shouldn't write that Kumkum, Ma.
Who are you to keep me Kumkum?
You and Vijay is in love, right?
Should I sacrifice Vijay for you?
Talk like an educated person. Don't talk like a fool.
Whole village is talking about the relationship between you both. I know that you both are staying under the same roof. There is nothing left to talk about him. You may leave now.
You both should get married and live happy life.
Why? I should marry him and you both want to do romance?
Do you know why he is in my house? Do you know what he is to me? Vijay was my neighbor. I spent my majority of the time in Vijay's house.
I want to study. We will think about all this later.
Vijay's mom became pregnant, but she didn't wanted this baby. She wanted to abort it.
So take this pill. Tomorrow abortion will happen. If it doesn't work, then let's take English medicine. Don't do it slowly. Do it fast.
But she wasn't successful. She wanted to take out the baby. Sister, if it's paining so much, give me the baby for some time. I will take care of it.
Right after she delivers the baby, we'll hand over it to you. You can take care of it. Come, drink.
Medicines that she took to abort the baby turned into a poison. When doctors said we can save either mother or the baby, everybody said to kill the baby.
Please save my daughter, doctor. It's still okay if baby life is not saved.
But his mother only died. They saved the baby.
You left me and went. As soon as the baby comes, he took your life.
He was such a child. I thought him as my son. I became his mother. When the entire city spoke bad about us, how much hurt I would have been. Cheh, I don't care about this city. But you please understand. Try to understand Vijay.
Driver, where is our sir?
Driver has come. Sorry, ma'am. I have taken you wrong. Forgive me.
No problem. That's okay. You please talk to Vijay once. Just because he hit you, your father is trying to put him behind bars. And that Murthy guys, they are trying to kill Vijay.
I want to talk to Vijay. Friday evening, can you please ask him to come to the same place?
Yeah, sure, I'll tell him. Go now.
What he was discussing with you while giving this money?
I'm in love with a girl named Nandini. You go and pray to the God that I should get that girl.
Pray for us.
What, Kamali? What did Nandini say?
Wait. Nandini believes that you have done nothing wrong. Just not that. She's not angry on you anymore.
Is this true?
Next week around 6 o'clock, she'll be waiting for you in the temple. After that, for a week or for a month, just stay in some other city and come.
What about a college exams and results?
Yeah, he's a rank holder, see. One side it's Nandini's father. Other side, Murthy's gang is also looking for you.
Teacher, he's a college chairman, teacher. If that criminal is top rank, we are above him, teacher. Can't do a damn thing.
Hey, just shut up, yeah. What if he troubles you and harms you? Then what about me?
So, you're asking me to vacate the place like a coward?
Vijay, for some days only. Nandini's father will cool down. I will only talk to him and then try to convince him. And I will try to get you guys get married, okay? Are you happy? I know how it's painful to leave your loved ones stay. I definitely know the feeling. Hey, I don't want you to face such problems. Your Nandini may have some trouble.
That means we'll get married, right?
Definitely she's yours.
Kamali blessed me. That means Nandini is mine. Why all this? I can apologize to Nandini's father. If required, I'll ask sorry to Keshavamurthy also. That means everything is sorted, right? I'll be happy if Nandini is mine. She is enough for me. I grew up without my mom. You have fulfilled my mother's place till date. She'll also take care of me the same way, right? I really need her. I need her. I need her.
Hey,
I need
Vijay.
Nandini Kamli.
Vijay. Hey, don't cry. You'll get your Nandini.
Really?
Yes, for sure.
She'll be mine.
Brother, stop the car! Stop the car, brother!
Hey, what you're doing over here?
They have murdered Kogi Kumar and thought
You should have informed me in phone, right?
I've called you, but your phone is not in range.
I told you to stay over there, right? Who'll look after Kamli now?
5 of our boys are
Already
there,
I'm in tension. You're doing this. Hey, you call that Suresh and Ravi. Check everything's alright over there.
Don't worry, brother. Our boys are there.
Shauri, get us ice cream, Anna. Anna, get us ice cream. Buy us
Hey,
ice cream.
stop, man. These are my boys. Hey, ice fellow, give them ice.
Yay, ice cream, ice cream.
Hey, for me,
Yay.
vanilla. Butterscotch.
For me, one
chocolate.
butterscotch. For me, mango.
No, I want
Pineapple one.
chocolate.
Hey, come here. Hey, keep this money with you.
Run soon. Run quick.
Run.
Brother, wake up, brother. Shauri, brother, wake up, brother, wake up. Shauri, brother.
Hey. Get up, fellow. Get up. When can we become the head?
Sir. These rowdies brought me here, sir.
I only asked him to kidnap you. Where is Vijay? Where is Vijay?
I don't know.
Only if you reveal that you can go back home. Rudra,
Sir?
inquire with her in your style.
Hey, you come with me. Hey, answer to my question correctly. If not, you'll be behind the bars with 4 guys. Anyhow, you look very hot and pretty. In case I put you with them, they will ruin your life completely. Will you tell or not? Open your mouth.
What, Rudra?
Ha, sir?
Did she open her mouth?
She is not at all opening her mouth, sir. I think she needs our treatment. Only then she will open her mouth.
She's big thief, sir.
Hey,
This woman and your daughter were talking in the temple and I saw it, sir. It just happened yesterday, sir. Sir, and that too according to our source. Your daughter and that boy were supposed to meet in the temple, sir. And they had planned to elope to a different city, sir. If your daughter had opposed the plan, she also planned to get your daughter married, and within a year, they had implemented a plan to meet you with the child, sir, to take your blessings. Sir, they had even booked a car to kidnap your daughter. Sir, the people who are behind this kidnapping plan are already arrested by Udupi police.
Oh,
But Vijay has managed to escape, sir.
Please, sir. Please just believe me. He's very nice, sir. Please let them get married, sir. He will definitely take good care of her, sir. Please, sir. Please. Don't do anything to
Hey,
Vijay, sir.
shh! You bloody! How dare you do this? He is a scoundrel, a rascal, a crow, and you're asking my daughter for him? Hey!
Sir.
Hey! If you plan and take my daughter away, get her married, and if she comes back with her son, You think I will be, sir?
No, sir.
Hey!
Oh, no, sir.
Bloody bitch! Rudra,
Sir,
bring him somehow here.
Sir, please, sir, please.
Hey.
Sir, please, sir.
hey,
just
where is
listen
he?
to me.
Will you say or not? Hey, make us sleep.
I don't know.
Sleep now. Remove our clothes.
Please, madam.
You know what is this?
No, madam. Please, madam.
You know what I'll do now? You haven't married, right? If you're married, then you would
No,
be
madam.
knowing.
Please.
If I ask you, you're not answering, right?
Hello, Vijay.
Stop it.
Kamali! Kamali, what happened to
Vijay.
me? Kamali,
Hey, hey!
Vijay.
What are you doing? Get up! Get up!
Vijay.
Hey, catch him, man. Catch him.
Catch hold of him!
Don't leave him.
Hey! Sir, no, sir. Sir, please leave him, sir. Sir.
Hey!
Sir! Bloody, you have killed a boy!
Hey! Only a father will know the real pain is. We give our life to grow them. Bastards like him, just for a few minutes pleasure. Deceive and take them away. Marry her and then come back and bring her back to me. And you want me to celebrate this thing, you know? Bloody! These dogs should die this way. Hey! Scoop up this dog and throw him in Cuba. What the hell are you looking at me? Go.
I want to talk to Vijay. Friday evening, will you please ask him to come to the same place? I'm in love with a guy by name Vijay. Even he is loving me. I should get him forever. Please pray for us.
What, dear? You said you'll be going to temple, but you came back soon?
One of my friend was supposed to come, but he didn't. So I didn't go to temple.
God.
Hey! Bastard!
Hey! Leave him! Who the hell are you? Just leave my dad!
You did this to me! Hey! Hey!
I'll definitely shoot you one or the other day. Vijay!